Quick, you've only got 30 minutes and you need to finish this week's blog post. What do? Follow the 6-step thread formula that copywriter Neal Samudre created. That's T.H.R.E.A.D. First, title. T stands for title. Start with a specific eye-catching title that clearly pulls your audience in based on a problem that you know they already have. H stands for hook. Grab your audience's attention with the first chunk of text and directly address the pain that your audience feels. R stands for relate. Make the problem personal by sharing your own experiences as if you were confiding in a friend. And E stands for emphasize. Articulate the cost of leaving the problem unsolved and highlight the value of solving the problem. A stands for apply. Give your audience easy to follow takeaways that form a solution for the problem at hand. And D stands for download. Offer a resource that takes the solution to the next level for free in exchange for an email address. That wasn't so hard. Still got time left.